So when you're changing the oil in your pressure washer, a quick trick so that you don't make a huge mess, which nobody likes an oily mess, is just to put a quick piece of duct tape at the rear of the engine, the Briggs & Stratton engine. On mine, it worked out pretty well because obviously it's at the rear on my pressure washer, and as I pull this up right here, you guys can see that basically I did not leave too much of a mess there while it went into the drain pan, so that worked out pretty well. So I'm going to pull that out, put the nut back in again, fill it up with oil, and I'll be good to go.